Hello, this is Bitcoin Guide. With the ongoing correction, Bitcoin has reached a very dangerous spot. It's currently sitting on two support lines. I'll break down the details in today's analysis video. First, here is the analysis for today, June 2nd. This is the Bitcoin chart analysis for June 2nd, and it's a long position strategy. The reason I keep going with long positions is that ultimately Bitcoin has to go up, and this analysis is about catching the rebound at the support line. Since we always set a stop loss, it's not overly risky. Naturally, Bitcoin needs to rise, and from a chart analysis perspective, it's better to catch the rebound at the support line. Right now, it's just falling without giving any short entry points. So it's not easy. It's just brainlessly dropping, right? So for today, since we've hit a key level, I've set up a strategy. The red finger path shows the long position strategy. At the bottom, we have the 68.5K long entry zone, a stop loss if it breaks below the green support line. And at the top, the first target for the long position is 70.8K. And by tomorrow, the targets are top, good, and great in that order. Tomorrow is election day, so I'll take a day off from the analysis. Also, please check if it breaks below the purple support line. If it doesn't, there's a small chance of a strong rally, or it might just end up sideways, so keep that in mind. If it breaks below the green support line today, things get a bit messy. There's a gap line zone shown at the bottom. The bottom is open down to 66.6K, and if it drops hard from there, it could fall to zone 1 at 66.1K. At the first rebound zone, if it breaks below this green support line, the decline could continue. But every chart has its patterns and flows. There are waves and things like that. But looking at the Bitcoin weekly chart, it broke down yesterday where it should have rebounded. Now, as I explained, there are two scenarios. This strategy is about catching a rebound using the candle wicks. If you flip the chart upside down, it's the same compared to the uptrend. Looking at it upside down, if the chart breaks below this key support line compared to the downtrend, it could lead to a continuous mid to long-term downtrend. So this is a very crucial spot. Today's long entry point has reached a major support line based on the weekly candle I explained. So I set the entry point a bit aggressively, but it'll probably fluctuate by about $500 from here. I've kept it as tight as possible, and since a break below the green support line could trigger further downside, you must strictly follow the stop loss. This makes sense so far, right? So for this week, the weekly Bollinger Band support is still holding up. It's not the first touch, but it's holding. However, the monthly Bollinger Band support is open. So if Bitcoin drops to its maximum, I'm expecting down to 59.3K for this week and this month. The absolute bottom wick could go to 59.3K. If it breaks that, we could see a continuous slide. So this is a very critical level. Let's watch where it hits bottom and how Bitcoin manages to rebound from there. Please use my analysis and video for reference only. If you subscribe and like, you can get the fastest updates. I'll take tomorrow off and be back on Thursday. Thank you for watching.